American M48 Patent II and its almost identical successor, the M60, has been, since the late 50s, one of the principal tanks in NATO's European front line. Both carry the British-designed 105mm gun, widely adopted around the world ever since it first appeared in the Centurion. Until the advent of even more powerful and accurate 120mm guns, this was the tank gun against which all others were measured. Being, in effect, designs of the immediate post-war period, both M48 and M60 suffer, by modern standards, from high silhouettes, which make them vulnerable targets. And with maximum armor thickness of only 120mm, they are now considered inadequate against modern anti-tank guns and missiles. During NATO maneuvers, a convoy of M48s and M60s, accompanied by armored personnel carriers and self-propelled guns, is observed by enemy reconnaissance and then attacked by enemy aircraft and helicopters. On today's battlefield, the agile helicopter, with its ability to fire missiles while hovering in a fold of ground or in the tree line, is probably the tank's main enemy. Crews of tanks and other armor cannot hear the aircraft over the sound of their own tracks and engines. Also, apart from top-mounted machine guns, they usually lack defenses against air attack. The continuing battle between armor protection and firepower, which goes back centuries, and the more modern conflict between the tank and helicopter is still with us and will certainly continue. The Bofors S-103 was an unusual attempt to gain